It was a quiet and still July night. A couple were enjoying a ride, until this happened. Although it was not recorded, I decided to put together a, frankly shit, reenactment. Right, guys, everyone's been asking me to about my crash and that, so thought I'd reenact it. Crumble and Zed said get Tom Cruise to play me and like get some high-speed car chases and whatnot, but I can't afford it, so what I've had to do is get a little toy bike and make some little Jen there. It's little Jen, we've got little me, big knob, and obviously, and then we've got his bike, and then we've got the car over here. It was a Vauxhall Astra, I think this is an Aston Martin. Logistics. But anyway, so what we have here, we have a setup of the road. We have the little junction where she would try to go, and the 2 lanes. Obviously these are toothpicks, not quite road. So what happened is we're coming along. I'll turn my lights on. We're coming along, as you do, 30 mile an hour, she's coming along, she's like, where am I going? Don't know what I'm doing. What am I doing? I need to take this turning, it's here, this is my turning, turn, and then boom, Jen did a front flip, whoa, bosh, she's on road, bike fell to bits, right, so bike's in bits. I've landed in tank and then fell backwards with my knob, and Jen's like managed to get herself up. This car's gone up here like this, and she's sat on this little central reservation like this. I've got up, stumbling. Oh, that right hurt, did that? Oh, my knob and bollocks. Oh, look at my bike. Jen, are you alright? Oh, no, look at my bike. Oh, it's proper smashed. Oh, as long as you're alright. Don't you dare go anywhere, you bitch. I'm not going anywhere, me. Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm just gonna sit down. And I fell over, and then ambulance came. I've not got an ambulance, so I'll use this one. And then police came. And then she like got in some trouble, and then like we got put on these like backboards on, and then in ambulance. We're in ambulances. They've gone, we've gone, bike got put on a trailer, got took home, right, she fucked off home, and that's it guys, that's my crash. Still behind the learner driver, this is fun. Stopping for speed bumps. Stopping. It's a fucking speed bump, not a landmine. Get a move on. Oh, could you be going any slower? I don't want to overtake because it'll like put her off. So I'm being nice. But we are doing like 13 mile an hour. Thank Christ for that. Just pull up there with your ass out. Fucking hell. Right. The fuck's this guy doing? He's broken down. He's broken down, he can't get up. You alright there? Do you want help? Shall we see if we can get it up? Is it? I'll get you a push. Oh. There you go. Alright. And you guys say I'm not nice. He couldn't get up. He was stuck. Yeah, it's good. He's done me good deed for the day. Look at that. Brilliant. Empty, my friend. Empty. Trying to get out of here. It's a fucking ball ache. Gonna be sat here for fucking ages. This van, come on. Come on, come on. Way! Way! Citroen Rella. Someone's nicked his Y. Going round nicking Ys. Pull out. Go on. Fuck off. Cheers. 50. Don't you fucking dare. Cheers. Oh, there's another fucking speed camera. Not that I'm speeding, I'm doing the speed limit, they just fucking wind me up. This car's got a hat. This car's wearing a hat. Car hat. It's a car hat. Car hat. Cut! Car in the hat. Might do a couple of shout outs, actually. You ready, guys, for these shout outs? You ready? Apple Van Crumble! KTM Dutch Runner! Spicy 110! Baron Van Grumble! Nodgy Simon! Who else? That's all I can remember, to be honest. So there's your shout outs, guys. Shout outs. I hope you liked them. I forgot where I am. Where the fuck am I? I'm on a road. I know that. I'm on a road. I'm on a long... Everywhere's a titan round here. Fucking titans. Double whites. Double whites. Can't overtake. Fucking bollocks. Not my luck. Fucking I'll go for it. I'm gonna overtake this car in a hat. Right, and then fucking Plod will be in front at Fiesta, and I'll be fucking nicked. Sheep! 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 Yo, sheep! Fucking hell. Ignorant. Oh, I said, why don't you like sheep? Fucking ignorant. Not one of them waved. Your back wheels following your front. What? What? It what? Special offer, 96,000 eggs for £1. Beef. Beef for £1. Chicken for £1. His wife, blowjob, £1. For everything. What the fuck are you doing? You dopey tramp. Get the fuck out of the road, you fucking dimwits. What goes through my head when I'm riding? I wonder who'd win in a fight between a cow and like a buffalo. I think it's this one. I think I've took the wrong one. We'll find out. Where the fuck am I? We'll only end up about 5 or 6 miles out. Or a 3-way fight, every man for himself, between a pheasant, a turkey and a peacock. Here's one for you guys, right? If you can get this, 10 points, right? So, a peacock. You're a farmer, yeah? And you've got a peacock. But the peacock goes into the next door neighbour's garden, so it's the next farm across. Goes into his garden and lays its eggs. Right, you following me? Who do the eggs belong to? It's your peacock. It's gone in next door neighbour's garden, laid its eggs. Who's the eggs? Come on, guys. Comment, see if you can get it. Oh, you fuckers. Oh, you fuckers! Oh, you fuckers! What are you looking at, prick? Look at these gates. Do you think that leads to, like, the land of tomorrow? Like a never-ending garden? Might go in. Where the fuck am I? I've not been going like out, because, well, out. I've been going out, but just like little dinky ride. In fact, I've been going that many few like miles, few miles, innit? It's good like proper few miles. I've been going like, fuck with that. I've been going like that little mileage that I'm getting condensation in my oil view and windy, and that's just not good. Sorry, love. Your nicely trimmed dog just got a little scare. Ooh, gonna have to take him back to fucking dog people to get it checked out. Doing drug deals. Drug dealing. Dealing! I've got you on camera, son. Doing your drug deals. Yeah, think you're fucking smart, don't you? I went shopping for Valentine's Day. Went to Bradford, so I've got some stories from then for you. Went to Bradford and went to Subway in Bradford. See, I don't go to Bradford, so I don't know what the etiquette is of Subways. I went to the sandwich shop, Subway, Schmogway, and I asked for an Italian BMT. And I was feeling a bit flush, so I says I want extra bacon on my BMT. So I asked her for some extra bacon, and honestly, she looked at me like she was going to jump over the counter and smash my head in. I thought she was going to stab me or something. Got me really worried. And she's like, we don't do bacon. We don't do bacon. Halal. Halal in here. Dead serious about a job in Subway, like. Thought she was going to kill me. So I'm like, alright then, well, what have you got? Can I have turkey rashers. Fucking turkey rashers instead of bacon. So I got them. And smelled like bacon. Tasted like bacon, looked like bacon. I think it were bacon. Turkey rashers. Italian BMT, like, you know what I mean? It's salami, ham, pepperoni. Do you want to tell them that? Like, that's sausage, pork. Should we bother? Halal. Like I meant to know. Like I give a shit. Mental. So then we went shopping. We went to JD or JJB or one of J's. Our lass is in top bit. She's in top bit, looking at girls' clothes, and it's all like girls' stuff. She's in top bit looking for women's clothes and whatnot. So I stood by shoes. Stood by all shoes bit. Anyway, so I'm sat down on one of them things, you know, where you try your shoes on. I sat down on one of them and I fell asleep. So I'm waiting for her for about 4 hours because she takes the piss. And do you know when you fall asleep and you're not quite breathing right in your sleep, so you wake up choking and you're like that. Well, I've done that. I woke up, I'm choking, I've looked up, and there's an African woman just staring at me. Proper, like, angrily staring at me like she's gonna fucking kill me. So she looks at me for like 30 seconds, and then I'm looking at her, and we're just sort of staring at each other for a little bit. And then she just sort of looks away like it never happened, like I didn't exist. Turns to a friend. She's like holding these shoes. What do you think about leopard print? That were it. I'm fucking creased. I'm just laughing. That Everyone's looking at me like I'm a fucking lunatic. So that were a good day out. Going shopping. Going to get some bread and milk and fucking bits and bobs. Can't be bothered, I hate it. I hate shopping. You get the missus, she's like, you've got to come shopping with me because you help. I don't. I'm just stood around whinging. It's taking ages. Can we go now? Can we go now? Can we go now? Are we done yet? Are we done yet? We finished shopping. Just fucking whinging and moaning. It's taking fucking ages. That's what I do when I'm shopping. She says, oh, you've got to come so you can help me get some shopping. I'll go, can we have this? No. Can we have this? No. Can we have this? No. She's like, what about this? Yeah, whatever. I want to go home. Can't be bothered. It's getting into rush hour, so everyone's rushing for an hour. This is the infamous York Road where vans pull out on you, look. That car could have easily panicked, looking at that van, easily taken me out. That's what you got to watch for, because I was ready for that car going. I'm looking at the van, I'm panicking, I'm going to take him out instead because I don't want to crash my car into the van. But he didn't, he held his ground. Nice one. See, you get a good driver every now and then. Normal, sort of everyday, inexperienced maybe drivers, they'll be looking at what's coming at them and they'll just swerve the other way. Instead of looking the other way at what's at that way, they'll just go that way, they're not bothered. But this guy, he was looking both ways, so he did well. Don't like these fucking speed bumps. Always bottom out on these. Kids like, what the fuck's this guy doing? Tit. Yeah, dying for a piss. Biggest fear is I have a bit of a bump while I need toilet, a bit of a crash like, and then piss myself. Scares me that. I'm not holding nothing in. It's all going to squirt out and they're going to become confused at why piss is pouring out of my petrol tank. It'll be mine. Scares me. Come on, man, fucking hell. Traffic lights. They know. They're like, they've got need a piss detectors on them. So if you need a piss, it picks up on it. What a twat. Picks up on it, and it fucking takes ages to change. Coconut Kit Kat. Coconut Kit Kat. Coconut Kit Kat. That's me done.